Hello guys, welcome back. Tell me data new video how to disconnect your Epic Games account to YouTube account. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your YouTube app on your browser or youtube.com. You can open this app and you need to click on your profile icon and you need to log in into your account. And once you logged in, you need to click on profile icon and you need to select like settings. Once you click on settings, on the left side you will see there are lots of options. You need to click on connected apps. You need to find Epic Games, and on my you can select account, this app is not connected. In your case it will show you disconnect option over here, and you can select this option and you can disconnect your Epic Game account with your YouTube account, and that's very easy and very simple. So if this the tutorial will helpful, please share your experience in our comment box, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.